In this tutorial, I'll show you how to deposit money into your Rainbet account in just a few simple steps. Let's get right into it. Step 1, here we are on the Rainbet website. Begin, look at the top right corner. We'll click on it to access your wallet settings. Step 2, once you're in your wallet, select your balance currency as USD to make transactions easier. Now click on the wallet option again, and you'll see several features including deposit, withdraw, buy crypto, and more. Step 3, choose a deposit method. Rainbet offers two main ways to deposit funds. Option 1, banking. You can deposit using Interac or PixBank. Simply swipe Interac. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Fill in the deposit details as prompted. Note, this method works if you already have a supported bank account. Option 2, buy crypto via MoonPay. If you don't have a bank account linked, you can choose the buy crypto method instead. Here's how. Select your currency. For example, USDT. Choose the network such as ERC20 and click continue to MoonPay. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Log into your MoonPay account, complete the transaction, and the amount will be added to your Rainbet wallet. Option 3, deposit via your own crypto wallet. You can also deposit directly using your personal crypto wallet. Here's what to do. Select USDT as your currency. Choose a network like BSC. Rainbet will give you a deposit address. Copy this address and paste it into your crypto wallet send section. Complete the transfer and the funds will appear in your Rainbet balance. And that's it. That's how you can deposit money into Rainbet, whether through bank, crypto, or a wallet in just a few easy steps.